Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert background image to certain pages in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select your background option. Now select add background and select your file option and click this three dot option and open your folder for your image. Insert this image and select open and is absolute scale. Also you can fade this proportion of pages, you can make it larger and see this. Now type here custom page range, you can rotate this page. Also you can change image opacity and custom page range. I'll apply this page number 2 type comma, page number 3 type comma, and page number 5 to 6 and simply select apply 6 number and see this. Our background color now added this specific page range and other page remain same. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.